Morning, everybody. Yesterday I was busy blocking wood. It was kind of hot, kind of rainy. Even took the day off from splitting, so it gave me a chance to get ahead and I crated up 3 cords of hard. Each crate is a quarter cord, 32 cubic feet, and I'd finished the log pile, so this crate's a little shy. But we got this one over here is number 12, and it's got a little bit more, so it kind of makes up for the gap that's there. Anyway, 3 cords. So this morning I'm not going to block any wood. We're just going to split, and just for fun, we're going to see from the 12 crates how many crates of stacked wood we're going to get. So let's see how it goes. It's going to take 3 or 4 hours, probably, with breaks. So I won't be videotaping all of it, but we'll see how many stacks of wood we get. So yeah, like I mentioned, the long log pile that I had, ignore this because that's a recent acquisition, but it started way down there. I think it was May 5th, way down there. It went all the way to there. I haven't quite figured out the math yet on it. 50 cords, something like that. Blocked it all with the chainsaw. Just did about a cord a day, cord and a quarter, cord and a half. And she split it all. I blocked it all. And it's stacked in racks for the season, and then we'll sell them this fall. Well, we need 11 crates. In this crate here, there's some 12s and there's some 14s. And this is our 14 rack and our 12 rack, and our 18-inch rack, and this is our campfire rack. So, little animal just little bunny rabbit. He ran right by my feet.
Where'd he go?
He went straight that way. I'm curious to see how much 16-inch stuff that we get after split firewood. Okay, so time to tally up what we got out of the what were 12 crates of blocked firewood. We got 16-inch over there. We'll do a count in a second. We got another crate and almost a half here. So this is 14-inch, and we started out with. And the 12-inch I know we moved. So a little bit of that. And the 18-inch, I don't think there's not much movement. And show what that crate looked like. We'll go from there. So, like I said, we have 12 crates of blocks. And we're going to have one, we'll call that a half. So we got 1.5, 2.5, 3.5, 4.5, 5.5, 6.5, 7.5, 8.5, 9.5, 10.5. And first one I brought down just out of muscle memory. I brought it down. So we got 11.5. I think if you add in probably the 14-inch and 12-inch, a couple of 18-inch to come out of it, it equals 12, or 12 crates of split wood. So 12 crates of blocked wood gives you 12 crates of split wood. 9 o'clock in the morning. I think it's time to go on break. Not sure. See what the boss says.
Did you remember the one crate that we already took down?
Yep.
Okay.
So 11 and a half, if you include these two here.
Yeah.
Plus we filled 12 and moved it. And I don't know how much of the 14 and a little bit of the 18.
Yeah. So how many did you get?
12. So 12 crates.
Record.
Yeah, so 12 crates of blocked wood equals 12 crates of split wood.
Surprising.
I thought I would get more split wood.
No. Because I did a full 1.5 this morning, and that's what I got, 1.5. So.
Yeah, I don't know. I just assumed that, like, this round of wood, you split that into 4, those 4 pieces are going to take up more space than this round.
Actually, I don't think they do.
Well, if you're just stacking them,
If
know
you
what I mean?
stack willy-nilly, they will, but
You're not willy-nilly?
no.
You don't do things willy-nilly.
Perfect like that. I want the crates to be as tight as possible so when we move them, they don't all fall out or, you know, if they go in the kiln, they're going to shrink anyway, so.
Yeah. Break time yet?
It's up to you. It's early.
I made a chocolate pound cake yesterday.
Yeah, it's break time, I think.
Okay. I think it's break time. Alrighty.